Little Knock M Down Key offshore island waterfront property would make great location for island getaway, camping, kayaking, paddleboarding, adventure. Evidence of structure on property. Research is being done to determine if structure can be replaced. Application for ROGO exemption has been made. Adjacent vacant tract is included for a total of nearly 5.5 acres. 72 hours notice to show, set aside minimum of 3 hours. Requires charter vessel to transport buyer at buyer's cost at $375, which is credited back to buyer on HUD at closing. Also accessible by kayak/paddleboard.